Okay, Oscar. Well, definitely a monthly payment. You know, you're satisfied with the monthly payment, right? Which is $90 a month. Okay. I did advise you that the company does require something to a certain amount to activate your policy. I'll give you a bit of information. Okay. And we'll review a couple of options. But from the 150 to 220, okay, it seems like the total that they're requesting today is 289. Now, 289 that covers your first month. It leaves you with 11 payments. Technically, the way the insurance companies work, they're going to require something today as a guarantee just in case you're involved in an accident. So let's say, for example, the first 30 days, okay, they're not collecting as much money from you, correct? So let's say you're involved in an accident, you make damages of $2,000. Who's going to pay for those $2,000?
Right?
The insurance company, right? Because you have insurance.
Yeah.
So in this case, the insurance company is requesting $289 today. Once again, that covers your first month, and it leaves you with 11 payments of $90. How does that sound?
Maybe.
So technically, you're looking at $289. Okay, that's the total for today, and monthly payments of $90 a month.
We can't get nothing better than that?
That's technically the lowest option that I have.
Okay.
Stop. All right, perfect. So you were telling me 289 is a little bit too much, right?
Yeah, that's way too much.
Okay. Now, that's fine. See, the good thing is that we work with 70 different companies. Okay, so I'll give you all the options that we need we'll review all the options, and at the end of the day, I want to make sure that you leave satisfied. Okay, not only with service, but also with the options. Now, let me give you a second option. Now, I'm checking the system. Okay, and I actually have good news for you. Now, I have another option which offers $198. So technically, what the insurance company is requesting today is $198. How does that sound? It's a lot better, right?
Sounds a little better.
Okay, sounds a lot better. Now, the only problem is that the monthly payments are no longer $90 a month. Okay, what they're offering, this is a different company, by the way. It's not the same company as Alliance. Okay, this is Alliance, and this is Infinity. Okay, so technically, their monthly payment is $139. So now you're gonna have the option of choosing, from either option 1 or option 2. Now the difference between option 1 and option 2 is practically $90 in today's payment, correct? So technically the decision that you're gonna make is, should I invest $90 or should I save $90? But also, part of the decision will be, should I pay an additional, $49? Or should I just pay $90 today and save $49 every single month?
So what you're saying is that if I invest $90 today, I can get a better deal?
If you invest $90 today, more than the $189, your monthly payment is going to be lower. So technically, this is the way it works. For example, let's do a little bit of math. Now,
Okay.
$49, okay? Technically, option 1 is $289. Okay, $289, I know you advised me that it was a little bit too much. Just for a couple seconds, just let me finish explaining something to you. $289, but it guarantees a monthly payment of $90 a month. Okay? Now, let's say, for instance, if $289 is something that's completely out of your budget or something that you're not willing to pay, that's fine. We can go with option 2. Now, option 2 is a little bit lower in today's payment. You're looking at $198 today. Okay? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Which is, it covers the first month. So it's about $90 less. The only problem is that your monthly payment is $139 instead of the $90. That means an additional $49 every single month. So the way it works, 49 times 11, because you have 11 payments for the rest of the year, you're technically, the decision that you're making, okay, 90 times 11, you're looking at $539. So technically, the way you're looking at the situation is this. It's either you invest an additional $90 today, or you pay an additional $539 through the course of the year. Now, let me give you some more information. Now, this is a one-time payment, so you never got to pay this again. So let's say, for instance, the second year, you have the option today of choosing 90 times 12 or 139 times 12. If we do the math, because remember, your initial payment is only required the first year. So 90 times 12, you're looking at 1,080. Okay, 1,080 versus 139 times 12, you're looking at 1,668. Now the difference, okay, you're looking at $600. So, this is the way it works, okay? Your first year, you're gonna save $539 if you go with option one. If you pay an additional $90, if you go with $289 today.
Okay.
The second year, you're gonna be saving $600, okay? Why? Because your monthly payment is cheaper, $90 instead of the $139. So usually what I tell customers, don't make a decision based on just a one payment. Because you're making a decision based on today's payment. Make a decision through the course of the year. At the end of the day, you want to calculate the premium through the course of the year, and then you're gonna decide which one is the most affordable premium, okay, through the year. Not only for today. This sounds a lot better. This looks a lot better. $198, correct? But at the end of the day, your pocket is not gonna feel as good because you're investing in additional. Matter of fact, not even investing. You're throwing money away. You're spending an additional $500 through the course of the year. Why? Because your monthly payment is $139.
So if I invest $90 more, I save myself $600.
Exactly.
Throughout the year.
Throughout the year. Because see, what I want you to look at is the difference between the monthly payments. $90. It's not a one-time payment. It's a payment that you're consistently going to be making through the rest of the year, through the course of the year. So 90, like I said, 90 times 11, that's $536 of a difference. Okay. Sorry, 49 times 11. That's the difference from 90 to 139. So, would you rather pay 198 and keep a monthly payment of 139, or would you rather go with 289, okay, and keep a monthly payment of 90? Remember, $90 a month is the lowest out of 70 different companies. And then just one last thing, okay. Just let's imagine for a second you go with the 198, okay. You did express the fact that 289 was a little bit too much, so let's just go based on choosing 198 for a second, okay? In 6 months, you're gonna tell yourself, I'm paying too much.
Yeah.
Okay? And the answer is gonna be, yes, you are. And we already know, as of today, we know that 139 is a very excessive monthly payment. Now, $90 a month. See, I want you to make the best decision. My job is to give you as much information as possible so that you can make the best decision as of today. I don't want you to leave and then for you to have to maybe cancel your policy and get a new policy in the future, because that's going to be money out of your pocket. So today it may be better, but then you're going to have to redo the policy and pay another initial payment. So at the end of the day, you're paying 2 initial payments within 1 year, which, you know, there's no logic in that.
No logic.
So $289, that's once again, that's a one-time payment. It covers your first month. And keep this in mind, this is part of the year. So it's not additional to whatever you're paying for the year. This is part of the year. The insurance company, which is Alliance, is requesting a little bit more to start your policy, but it's giving you the most affordable monthly payment, which is $90 a month.
Okay. And the two I go insured home.
Yeah, you leave with insurance for both of them. It's just technically, do you want a monthly payment that's going to be $140 technically, or would you rather have a monthly payment that's $90? That's technically
I'd rather have the 90.
$90 a month. So the $289 may sound a little bit too much, but as soon as you do the math, you know, of course, you want to have the lowest premium throughout the whole year, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you invest a little bit more today. Okay, so the $289, you could pay that cash or debit. Which one would it be?
Let's go ahead and do debit.
Okay, so let's process the payment for debit. Once again, you are making the best decision. Option one, it guarantees your monthly payment at $90 a month. Just so you can keep in mind, this is a monthly payment that's guaranteed. Okay, you're locking your rate at $90 a month. The only way that your monthly payment is gonna go up is if you get a ticket, you're involved in an accident, then, you know, it's logical. The insurance company is gonna recalculate your premium, and obviously they'll pay a little bit more. Other than that, for the rest of the year, you're gonna be paying $90 a month.
Okay, I'll be going with option one
Okay.
then.
Okay.